Hey everyone, here's a quick video showing off our chicken coops here at RabbitSide camp. We keep a flock of 9 laying hens in the one coop and 6 bantam hens plus a rooster in the other. Feeding is done through this hatch made from a refrigerator shelf and an old buckle. The laying hens are for eggs to sell in our farmer's market cart. Most of these chickens are rescues from other camps around Slab City, and a few came from Craigslist. They usually lay their eggs in these boxes, which has a door on the outside for easy access. We used an old trailer door with some modifications as an entrance into the coop. Because working latches are hard to come by out here, we made one out of a few pieces of hardware. The latch functions on both sides, so you don't get locked in. The whole thing is made from old bee boxes, pallets, reclaimed wood, and junk found in the desert. It keeps the chickens safe from the elements and predators. We've also created an automated misting system that uses this valve, which gets turned on and off by an Arduino microcontroller with custom code that reads from a homemade daylight and temperature sensor and mists the coop when it's over 100 degrees for 30 seconds every half hour. That system also has nozzles in the other chicken coop and duck pen. More on that automation system in another video. The other coop is a bit smaller and is home to our flock of bantams and a rooster. These chickens lay much smaller eggs, so we keep them for our own consumption. There are reclaimed bee boxes for roosting and plenty of perches to hang out on. The rooster, Oberon, is a chill dude who doesn't bother the hens much. We've also recently introduced a couple of peeps to the flock that have graduated into full chicken mode. This one here is quite affectionate and gladly accepts pets. Her name's Kathy. And those are our chicken coops. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also check us out on Instagram, and thanks for watching.